Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about advanced English words. Instead of saying search, use these words: hunt, chase, quest. Instead of saying hate, use these words: hostility, animosity, loathing. Instead of saying different, use these words: offbeat, divergent, contrasting. Instead of using confused, use these words: baffled, muddled, perplexed. Instead of saying tasty, use these words: flavorful, appetizing, delectable.
Our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.